What happened, Amanda?
You almost killed my gecko.
He got love. That's all he needs to live. Ready, Kendra?
Your video thing is on my boat. Ah!
Sorry. Not be allowed to have a camera at all.
Or we could just get stoned in the shade.
Kendra, who told you not to wear pants on?
Look at that lady.
What'd she say?
Because people get high down here. Let's go.
If London Bridge is falling, let's hurry up and cross. Justify the meaning before the feelings lost. We should have no ending, like limits to a sky. Rather hear a good night. Let's not say goodbye.
What's up?
In this here it has a fish.
Oh, all right, all right.
There's some right here.
Yeah. Over here.
You gotta go slow.
There we go. Yeah, yeah, you get them.
I'm trying to catch a fish. You can see me.
Out here, jamming to some country. You know how it is.
Everybody's loving it.
Yeah, what that lady, she said, I like your choice
I
of
like
music.
your kind of music. That kind of
Amanda doesn't like it, so we're about to put on some real tunes.
Gucci flip-flops.
Request granted.
Let's not say goodbye.
Taste of Sweden, more like a taste of the sweet life, am I right? Oh, it's popping. He just knew that you wanted that.
Yeah, I like Lincoln.
You didn't say anything, he just
No.
gave you a side of berries.
Yes.
And I didn't get anything.
It's because people look at my face and they know that I'm a Lincoln addict.
Stop acting like you're the queen and we're the sorry people.
She's not like she's the queen and we're the sorry people.
No, where's the veggie balls with tabalooble?
How do you pee if your toilet lid is shut?
What part of we don't pay for water? Next.
Where do you pee?
Next question. And this is where I sleep next to this picture of my raccoon. Well, you moved your head, now it disappeared.
Ooh, my face.
I got cactus, I got picture. Now we got ice cream and some pop.
That's what?
Pop?
We should take what's left and make it right. We're gonna make it right. We should sleep all day and stay up all night.
Yeah, look.
Turn around. Hideous.
Thanks. But I don't have socks on.
I'm not gonna know.
Shut up! Don't tell me to wait, bitch.
Garbage.
Garbage.
Barbara said.
Looking at.
Wait.
Ooh. Oh, why? Everybody else is going. Which way are we going?
Go. We're supposed to go.
Block.
4, 3, 2.
2.
Wait. 1. Be the big stuff. I don't even know what the fuck that was. Did a little ship. Where the fuck is? Can you frolic?
Yeah, bitch, you just did it when you went back. When you went back the first time.
Like this?
Hop around. She's like, well, you got frolic before you're off the camera.
Can you show me a frolic?
No, that's not my job to frolic. There you go.
Ah! Look at that! I'm not doing that! Oh, here we go. Oh my god! Ugly ass.
Right, right. Bug! Why? Because it's the highway? I'm not a pussy? Fine!
At least right now.
your dance.
How do I do
Don't let her do her dance.
Yeah, Autumn, do your dance.
my
This
dance?
dance?
Do a little Kodak. Ooh. Autumn, that is... Alright, alright. Cut the dancing. No more dancing.